here's the first drive test in the new Weir Sphere. This is with the panels finished. They still need to be weathered. Also, this is BB-8's old head. His new head is to the right. I don't want to use the new head until I've driven him a little. So here we go. So he's got some wobble on the tile. Let me get him here. So head movement, obviously dome, can move him pretty quick, you know, when he's talking. Follow people around, can look. But let's drive him some more. I have his head programmed so that when I drive him forward, he leans forward, but he kind of starts leaning a little late. I was going over the rug. So I need to change the ramping on that so that his head leans forward faster and then eases back. There he is. I can hear something. I don't know. I think that might be the halo rubbing, so I might need to move it a little bit further. I can definitely hear something. I don't know if that's the head or what. But he drives pretty well so far. Oh. Yeah, pretty happy.